Hello everyone. Today we're going to be looking at seeing if a drone, which is mine, this is a rather inexpensive, but I love this drone quite a bit. So in August of 2020, I crashed this drone in a tree. Rather unfortunate, and I went, oh, that sucks, I didn't even get the SD card off of it. And, you know, I thought, eventually it'll come back to me, you know. SD cards are waterproof and whatever. And I'm amazed. I've gotten the drone back. It only took... Oh, it's May of 2022. Mid-May of 2022. It's been a few years. It's been almost 2 years. So, what, 14 months? 16 months? Oh, yeah, 16 months. So we're going to see if it works. I've done some preliminary testing, and you might be confused. You know, Liam, it's been exposed to the elements, extreme cold temperatures, the winters, being frozen, rained on constantly. Shouldn't it not work? It's electronics after all. It's even got an accelerometer. Kinda. The reason electronics break is because typically they're powered while we submerge them. And sure, there was a battery in it when it got wet, but the time it got wet, the battery had drained so much that it's unlikely to have affected electronics. And we're going to just look at the board here, and I mean, there's a little bit of corrosion. You can see a dead spider on there, but all in all, it looks rather smooth. Here's a battery. It's all charged up. And I have noticed that the switch to turn it on and off is basically seized. Like, that's a ton of force I have to put into it. So we're going to just preliminary turn it on. Let's insert the battery here. There we go. All good there. And we're just gonna see if I can plug this in. Alright, I need to put the camera down. All I'm doing is just inserting the actual power connector into it and continuing to failing. Oh, didn't see that, but there are flashing lights. Okay. Oh, and so I think that means it's on and it needs to pair. So that's a really good sign that we've got this flashing. So we've got the controller over here. Okay. So what it will, ooh, that's a good sign. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go up, down, and then it should pair, and this should be solid lights. That's a really good sign, considering, there's pine needles and stuff all over this. It's been exposed to the elements. It's literally faded. It's so cool. Moment of truth, I guess. Just gonna go up on the throttle. Oh my. Yeah, it looks like it still produced enough lift. Obviously the trimming is out, but that's awesome. So this drone has actually survived, and likely at the end of this end card I'll have some footage of when I crashed it. I think I took it. At least I have pictures. Anyway, thank you very much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye.